Did we practice either and neither?
No.
Oh, we did not. Okay. No. Okay, let's do this one first.
Okay.
Because that's a common mistake that many of the English students make, using either and neither. So if you click on that link, we have the grammar exercise, and you simply click on the arrow and you have to choose either or neither nor.
Okay.
And
neither or, neither nor.
Yes.
Okay.
And what you think about is, if the sentence gives you like a choice or a preference, you say either or. But if it's negative, if it's usually somehow saying that something will not happen or doesn't happen, then it's the neither nor for negative.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and start with number 1.
Okay. In this game, you either win or lose. It depends on you.
Okay, that's correct. Good.
Okay. Either Sue or Sarah will help you with your homework. They are both sorry. I didn't read the last sentence. Second sentence. Neither Sue nor Sarah will help you with your homework. They are both busy at the moment.
Okay, perfect.